Bhavana Reddy, Sai Pranita, Varshini Rao, Priyanka, Tanmay, Ritesh Jagnani, Mahimala Satvika, Roshan Sai, Manjari Khare, Kirti Pradeepa, Muskan, Nikita, Saraswati, Ritika, BJ, you know all the enrollment number, right? Right, you have to sit in the same sequence. Sana Hussain, Sanskriti Srivastav, Sri Kirti, Sri Lekha, Manvita, Varsha, Shreya Bhare. Then coming to the next line, the second row, FDP, second row of the, right? So Akshara Anil, FDP, second row, you have to sit in the same sequence please. Allam Harshita, Sai Pavan, Shetty Vasavi, please settle down. Please settle down as per the sequence. Harshit Gaud, Sri Kirtana, Shivani Kanakala, Lakshmi Gayatri, Mulpuri Alekhya, Sai Teja, Varsha, Niranjana, Surya Teja, Sheikh Qasim. Then we have the third row, RFM, B-Days RFM students please to be seated in the third row, in the sequence only. In the sequence please, RFM, B-Days RFM, Sai Bindu, Sir, Adhavan, Anurup, Sai Sunil, Harshavardhan Yadav, Isha Jain, Gayatri, Kaminani Sai Kamal, Nisikarla, Rajdeep, Rose, Samia Farzeen, Samyukta, Sri Sneha, Shreya Kotagiri, Sai Shankara Ratna. Then we have BBA students. After that, BBA students please in the fourth row. In the fourth row, BBA students please. Akanksha, Bhavya, Riya Singh, Tanusri, Ruchita Sharma, Sai Anisha, Hari Krishna, T. Anjali, Kumari Sonam. Then we have MBA in the fifth row. Please, all MBA students to be in the fifth row, please. Nikita Chand, Akshaya Pati, Ravi Teja, Kirti, Navin Shaurya, Shauri, Palak Kumari, Rupika, Sonali, Shriya, Varsha Pandey. See, all the students need to be sit in the rows, please. First row will be the fashion design, second row will be footwear, third row B-Days RFM, fourth row BBA, fifth row will be MBA. Please settle down. Please collect your Angravastra and sit in the sequence, please. All the students are requested to sit in the sequence. MBA fifth row, fourth is BBA, third is B-Days RFM, B-Days. All are requested to be in the sequence. So we are about to start the program. Satish, please make it fast there. 5GG, please guide the students. Satish, please clear the people from that place and guide the students to be seated in the designated places.
A very good afternoon and a warm welcome to our distinguished guest and management of FDDI, degree recipients, faculty, staff members and parents to the second convocation of FDDI Hyderabad 2022. Can you all give yourselves a huge round of applause, please? I am your MC Simran Moolchandani, and it gives me a great pleasure to welcome you all today to celebrate the achievements of our graduating students. So ladies and gentlemen, let us put our hands together and welcome our chief guest, Additional Secretary Shri Rajiv Singh Thakurji on the stage. Can we give him a huge round of applause, please? We also like to welcome our MD of FDDI, Mr. Arun Kumar Sinha ji IAS. Can we welcome him with a huge round of applause? We welcome Ms. Jyoti Yadav IAS. Can we give her a huge round of applause, please? We also welcome Mr. Binod Singh ji, Deputy Secretary, today on this occasion. Also, we welcome Mr. Yunus from industry on this beautiful evening. So can we all give them a huge round of applause, please? I now request MD FDDI Mr. Arun Kumar Sinha ji to felicitate Additional Secretary Shri Rajiv Singh Thakur ji. Can we give them a huge round of applause? I now request Mr. Deepak Chaudhary to felicitate MD of FDDI, Mr. Arun Kumar Sinha. Can we please give them a huge round of applause? I now request Mr. Arun Gaikwad to felicitate Mr. Binod Singh ji. Can we give them a huge round of applause, please? I now request Ms. Anamika Chaudhary to felicitate Ms. Jyoti Yadav IAS. Can we give them a huge round of applause? I now request Mr. Amit Verma to felicitate Mr. Yunus. Can we give them a huge round of applause? All right. So moving ahead, I now request our CI, Mr. Deepak Chaudhary, to please address the gathering. Can we welcome sir with a huge round of applause, please?
Okay, welcome students. Today we are going to give you a degree, and I'm going to announce that you will get the degree today. आज ये जो ओकेशन आप लोगों के लिए रखा गया है मेनली, ये एक आपके लिए एक बहुत बड़ा दिन है जिसको मैं समझ सकता हूँ कि जो 4 साल आप FDDI में निकालते हैं, जो 4 साल के बाद आज का जो दिन आता है आपको डिग्री लेने के लिए, वो शायद आपकी लाइफ का एक बहुत बड़ा मोमेंट होता है जिसको हम समझ सकते हैं कि इसके बाद आपके कैरियर की एक नई रास्ता जो मार्ग आपका शुरू होता है। आप लोग इंडस्ट्री में एक एज ए प्रोफेशनल ज्वाइन करते हैं और अब आप अपनी एक नई सीढ़ी स्टार्ट करेंगे जिसमें आप एक के बाद एक ऊपर बढ़ते जाएंगे और एक अच्छे मुकाम पे कोई इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट बनेगा, कोई बिजनेसमैन बनेगा, कोई अच्छा मैनेजर जीएम की पोस्ट प्राप्त करेगा। तो हम कह सकते हैं कि जो आज आपके लिए जो दिन है बहुत ही अच्छा है और मैं सबका स्नेह दिल से आप लोगों का थैंक्स कहता हूं कि आप लोगों ने यहाँ के ज्वाइन किया। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, sir. I now request our chief guest, Mr. Rajiv Singh Thakur, to please open the convocation ceremony. Can we welcome sir with a huge round of applause?
Good afternoon, friends, MD, FDDI, and all the team. So this is like Olympic ceremony. When we open the Olympic ceremony or big games, we announce the games to be open. That sort of format is there, it seems. So I hereby declare the second convocation ceremony of FDDI Hyderabad as open. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. I now request Mr. Pradeep Kumar Shukla to please join us for the oath. I also request Mr. Rajiv Singh Thakur to please join us at the podium. And I request all the students to please stand for the oath.
Hello. Dear students, please follow the guidelines first. We'll start with I. Afterwards, everyone should pronounce your names in the beginning. Now, I requesting all the graduating students to please please stand for the oath ceremony with your straight right hand. सभी स्नातक उपाधि प्राप्तकर्ता विद्यार्थियों से अनुरोध है अपने यथार्थ स्थान पर खड़े होकर एवं दाहिना हाथ सामने सीधा रखते हुए शपथ ग्रहण करें। मैं ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं अपने अर्जित ज्ञान, शिक्षा का प्रयोग सदैव पूरी ईमानदारी एवं जिम्मेदारी के साथ अपने पेशागत व्यवसाय की प्रगति एवं उन्नयन के लिए करता रहूँगा एवं करता रहूँगी फॉर गर्ल्स। मैं व्यक्ति विशेष की प्रतिष्ठा एवं व्यवसाय की अखंडता को सदैव बनाए रखूँगा। मैं अपने सकारात्मक एवं समग्र प्रयासों से एक ऐसा उदाहरण प्रस्तुत करूंगा जिससे कि मेरे शैक्षिक संस्थान, समाज, देश एवं मानवता का सदैव मान बढ़ेगा। मैं अपने व्यवसाय में राष्ट्रीय मूल्यों एवं नैतिक आचार विचार का सदैव समर्थन करूंगा। धन्यवाद। आप सभी का धन्यवाद।
I now request our Additional Secretary Shri Rajiv Singh Thakur to please join us on the stage and address the gathering. Can we welcome him with a huge round of applause, please?
Good afternoon once again, friends. Arun Sinha ji, MD FDDI, Jyoti Yadav from the Department of Commerce, Deepak Chaudhary, in charge of Hyderabad Center, Vinod Kumar ji, Deputy Secretary Commerce, and all the dignitaries on the dais. Dear friends, so very good first session, pre-lunch session we had, and thanks for your participation. Both the ministers were very happy and really good, not I would say really good interaction, but some food for thought. Few questions we were able to take, and hopefully this will ignite more such events in future. And coming back to the convocation, I'm happy with the part, and wish you all the best, a very bright future ahead. And as told in the earlier session also, that instead of seeking jobs, if not all, at least majority of you can, especially in the current times, try and start your own entrepreneurship dream or startup, whatever you say, industry or vocation. So that will be really good. And I have nothing long or elaborate speech to make. You're all waiting for your convocation to happen, which will happen very soon. And thank you all once again for participation in big numbers along with your parents and family members. And it really made the show wonderful. Thank you very much.
So, guys, Mr. Yunus has joined us, and I would request Mr. Amit Verma to please felicitate Mr. Yunus. Can we give him a huge round of applause, please?
One you can call.
So we will now be starting with our convocation ceremony, and I request our dignitaries to present the medals to our gold medalist, for which I request Additional Secretary Shri Rajiv Singh Thakur ji and FDDI MD Arun Kumar Sinha ji to present the gold medals. From B Design we have our gold medalist Allam Harshita. Can we please give her a huge round of applause, please? From BBA RFM, we have a gold medalist, Inuganti Akansha. Can we welcome her with a huge round of applause, please? we have our gold medalist from MBA RFM. Please welcome Priya Lakshmi Sharma on the stage, please. So presenting to you our silver medalist now. From B Design, once again we have Alam Harshita. Can we welcome her on the stage, please? Guys, can we give her a huge round of applause? Thank you so much. Silver medalist from B Design RFM, we have Rose EG. Can we welcome? We invite our next silver medalist from B Design FD, Vanshika Manotra, on the stage, please. She's not here? All right. Next up, we have a silver medalist. Once again, please put your hands together for Inuganti Akansha from BBA RFM. We have our silver medalist from MBA RFM. Once again, please put your hands together for Priya Lakshmi Sharma on the stage, please. To present the next set of medals, I request Ankita to please join us on the stage.
I would request our HOD, Mr. Arun Gaikwad, and MD to give away the degrees to BDS FD Batch 2018. Sindhuja. Swarali Prafulla. I would like to request all the chief guests to please be seated. Anjali Manohar. Rasagna. Ayushi Maurya. Pranati. Lakshmi Suprita. Bhavya Verma. I would request the audience to please clap and encourage them. B. Rishita. Chandrakant. Bhavana Reddy. Sai Pranitha. Bhavana Reddy. Sai Pranitha. Varshini Rao. Priyanka. K. Tanmay. L.R. Pravalika. Mahima Jagnani. M. Satvika. Roshan Sai. Manjari Khare. Kirti Pradeepa. Audience, please continue clapping and encouraging them. Muskan Chhabra. Nikita Singh. Saraswati. Swarupa. Ritika. Srilekha. Lasya. Audience, please show some energy. Saloni Kishore. Sana Hussain. Sanskriti Srivastava. Sheikh Dilshad. Amukta. Shri Kirti. S. Srilekha. Hari Prasad Naik. Manvita. Varsha Dugar. Shreya Bere. I would like the audience to give a very big round of applause for all the FD Batch 2018. Now I would like to request our Central in Charge and HOD of Footwear Design and Development, Deepak Sir, and MD to give the degrees for FDP students. Akshara. Allam Harshita. Sai Pavan. Vashavi. Nice. Harshit. Iba. Iba. Sai Kirtana. S. Srilekha. Shivani. Gayatri. Alekhya. Sai Teja. M. Varsha. M. Varsha. Niranjana. Surya Teja. Kasim. Kasim. Samiksha. Jaya Meghna. Shivali. Anuhya Reddy. Vangna Ashita. Anogna Angelina. Now I would be calling the names of the batch RFM 2018. Sai Sindhura. Adhavan. Anurup. Audience, I would like you all to maintain silence, please. Sai Sunil. Harshvardhan. K. Gayatri. Sai Kamal. Nisi Clara. Rajdeep. Rose. Samia Farzeen. Samyukta. Everyone please settle down. Audience, you are requested to settle down, please. Sri Sneha. Shreya Kotagiri. Manjusha. Anupriya FDP, Jayveer FDP, Chandrasekhar FDP, Konduru Bhargav FDP, Vaishnavi FDP, Akash FDP, Pavan FDP, Rutik FDP, Kiranmai FD. Please come on the stage. Now I would like to request Mr. Mohammad Gofran to please give away the degrees to batch 2019 BBA. Akanksha. BBA 19 batch Akanksha. Bhavya. Bhavya Muthyala. Riya Singh. We would request our audience to please give a big round of applause and encourage them. Tanushree. Tanushree Azad. Ruchita Sharma. Sai Anisha. Anjuna. T. Anjali. Sonam Singh. BBA 19 batch Sonam Singh. Are you there? Now I would like to request Mr. Balakrishnan sir on the stage and give the degrees to the MBA batch 2020. Nikita. Akanksha. Arshmail. Ravi Teja. Kriti. Naveen. पलक कुमारी.
कितने नाम हमारे हैं? खत्म है? कितने? 10?
पोरिका. सोनाली दे. Shriya Suman. Varsha Pandey. Preet. Give a very big round of applause to all the graduates of FDDI. Now I would like to call the entire BDS FD 2018 batch for the batch photograph. BDS FD 2018, please gather on the stage. FD 2018, please gather in the stage quickly. And FDP 2018, please be ready.
Faculty of FD, please be on the dais, please. Faculty of FD, Fashion Design. For group photo, please Fashion Design.
FD faculties are requested to please be present on the stage for the group photograph.
Come on, let's play.
दो बच्चियों का फोटो सेशन के बाद बोलना है इन दोनों बच्चों को बुला के सारे टीचर्स के साथ दिलवा देंगे क्यों नहीं बोला दीपक सर जब आ जाएंगे लास्ट में
Dilshadi, she's calling you. To shift.
रिया लक्ष्मी को बुलाया गया कि
Next batch, FDP students be on the stage. FDP students be on the stage, fast.
FDP faculties also.
FDP faculties and students be on the stage.
ये वंशिका मल्होत्रा का है हर्षिता को हाँ हर्षिता
FDP graduating students and faculty be on the stage.
RFM 2018, please be ready. call my name so that I can have my certificate in my hand. Like if it's feasible. How do I do it? Because there are a lot of faculties and crowd there. Yeah, after this, you click a picture, then you give me results. Okay? BBA 19, please be ready.
उसके बाद बुला लें दीपक सर से, इनको दिलवा देंगे, ठीक है?
सर ये लास्ट है, उसके बाद
दोनों को कर लेंगे। दो है ना, एक का हो गया।
वो लेके गई है पिक्चर के लिए, फिर ले ला के रख देगी।
The next batch is BBA 19, please.
MBA 2020, please come on the stage. I would request Mr. Deepak Chaudhary to please give the degree to Harshita Srivastava, RFM.
Thank you so much to all the dignitaries. So last but not the least, I would like to invite Mr. Balakrishna for the word of thanks. Can we welcome him with a huge round of applause, people, please?
Hello. Respected dignitaries on the dais and dear students, parents and my dear colleagues, good evening to you all. So it's a great privilege and pleasure to stand here to deliver a vote of thanks. I would like to extend my thanks to everyone for coming, for making this event significant and memorable. I, Balakrishna D, on behalf of FDDI and the entire fraternity of the Institute, first of all, I extend my most sincere thanks to Almighty God for making today's event a great success with His blessings and grace. I extend a hearty vote of thanks to our Chief Guest, Sri Rajiv Singh Thakur, Additional Secretary, DPIIT, who spared time for his busiest schedule to grace the occasion.
And I am also immensely thankful to our Honorable MD Sir, FDDI, Sri Arun Kumar Sinha IAS, for his endless guidance and motivation for the success of today's occasion. An event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheels started rolling weeks ago, and it requires planning and a bird's eye for details. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very proactive and dedicated staff members of our institute who are well versed in their jobs. And I also extend my thanks to respected center in charge, Mr. Deepak Chowdhury, for being the guidance and stimulating us to do the best stands, and he is a pillar of our strengths. And I would also like to thank the people who worked behind the locus to make this event happen, and our technical team, arrangement and stage setting team, maintenance team, students, affairs and examination department, accounts department, all other respective supporting staff members. Our sincere gratitude goes to all the parents and well-wishers for the support and encouragement for the students. And without your support, the students would not have been able to achieve the excellency. Thank you so much for attending this event. Finally, I would like to thank our budding rock stars who made this event joyful with their presence. Your days of hard work were evident in our actions. So last but not least, a heartfelt thanks to each one of who made this convocation ceremony memorable for all of us. On behalf of FDDI, let me thank all the students being disciplined and honorable. We value you and every moment, and you stay in this temple of learning. Thank you. Best wishes for your future endeavor. Thank you very much.
Once again, I would like to thank all the dignitaries on the stage and to all your students and parents for your valuable time and presence in making this event a huge success. All the people right here, can you all give yourselves a huge round of applause, please? So thank you so much, guys, and I'll hope to see each and every one of you really soon. Thank you so much. And sorry? Photo. Yeah. So, before we wind up, I request all you guys to please join us on the stage for a group photograph.
Hi guys, I request every student to come on the stage. We'll just take a video or a pictures. Batch of FDP and FD. Join. Hey,